Freddie was at home reading his favourite book to his dog Henry. "Henry," said Freddie, "don't you think it would be great to listen to this book on my iPad?" "Woof," said Henry, pricking up his ears. "We could sit here and both listen to the book together." "Woof," said Henry again, wondering if this might involve food. "Then you and I could follow the words in the book and learn new words too." "Woof," said Henry, now wondering where this was going. "I think we should order John's Fiverr Gig right now, don't you, Henry?" "Woof," said Henry again, always willing to agree with Freddie. "Brilliant," said Freddie. "Let's search on children's book voiceover right now." "Woof," said Henry again, supportively. "Then we can go and find Mummy and have tea." "Woof, woof," said Henry, thinking that tea was much more what he had in mind. Order today, exclusively on Fiverr.